Okay, after removing the clip on the top of this airbag, you want to kind of just it's kind of just sitting on this rear axle here. So you grab it and kind of just push it off of it. There it is. Once you got it off of this rear axle, it'll hang down a little bit, and there's going to be a clip up there we're going to have to disconnect in order to remove this bag. Okay. All right. Now the bag is hanging, and we should be able to get to a solenoid that's back here. Let me see if I can get. There it is. This solenoid here. There's a wire clip that we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pop off, and then we're gonna twist this counterclockwise twice. The first time you twist it counterclockwise, then it kind of goes halfway down, then you remove counterclockwise again, and then it should come off. Here it is, disconnected. This is what you're grabbing and twisting counterclockwise. And I believe you twist it once, you pull, then you twist it again, and it comes off. I went ahead and disconnected the harness clip, which is, let me see if I can get it back out here. Here it is. This is the harness clip. Let me see if I can get it. Alright. This is the harness clip that I disconnected first. The bag dropped a little more. Then I removed the solenoid. Now the bag is completely removed. Now we just gotta fish the bag out somehow. There it is. Now, in order to install these brand new coil springs, we're gonna have to remove this strut here so that the rear axle can hang down a little more, and we're able to put that spring in. This is where the coil springs sit. But let's go ahead and get this strut out the way so that this rear axle will hang a little, and we can install those coil springs. Okay, before we install the new coil spring, we're gonna go ahead and pop off this retainer. Just like that. This is the passenger side. I was already done with that driver's side, but this is what the passenger side looks like. This is a new absorber, the strut, the new coil spring,